You know, you see the jokes happen further on.
Yeah.
I tell you, say you have some people just walk up and down. They mind gone.
You don't know what them do.
They don't know, some don't know where them go.
Welcome to Alan Bamboo, guys. Welcome to Alan Bamboo Avenue. What's a going Jamaica, what's a going my people? No. Even now look out. You know, quick view. I'm gonna ask a question. Guys, can you recognize where this is? Can you guys recognize where this is? No, my people. We're there. Alan Bamboo with it right now, no my people. Alan Bamboo with it right now, and guess what? Alan Bamboo don't look like Alan Bamboo again. Now people, with the Alan Bamboo right now, we're heading towards Black River. Right? But me I stop. Right now my people for show now. Just the entrance of Alan Bamboo right now. It's unrecognizable. Guys, as you can see, most of them people we are turning down the way, you know, into that direction towards Newmarket, into Alan Bamboo. People them with four-way flashers on relief people, it seems like. It's like them carrying people down there. But look people. Anyways, welcome everybody to another one. Guys, we're there out here in a St. Elizabeth again. Now with the Alan Bamboo right now, as myself with the Alan Bamboo we are heading to Black River. We're gonna show you what we're going down in a Black River. In and on the way to Black River. Now guys, I'm telling you again. To me, yo, being on the ground totally different from what you don't want to see on camera, my people. And you don't think it bad? I tell you it worse when you come to go on. But anyways.
So come on and join me. They're on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel. Duali's YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, here. Thank you.
Welcome my people. On our way to Black River. No. Don't just pass Alan Bamboo don't just pass these areas. Don't feel like say some of them areas not get affected because they do look totally gone people on the flat. Look one over the side again. Partially gone. One over the center orange. Totally gone. This partially gone. Place just live out and underwater right now. Water over there, so you understand 3/4 of the river them, and the streams them are there close by overwash them banks. But we're gonna show no what go on, my people. We're gonna show no what go on. This is Alan Bamboo and it's unrecognizable. We are touched down. Alright guys, so you see what go on? Alan Bamboo this now. What happened? Why may I tell you? Jaja, my people. Now, like in the last video guys, this area is Alan Bamboo, and as I was saying, like the last video, the vehicle where I drive right now, there's the trunk or the back door. Yeah, you know, some problem with the trunk, so it can't close. So remember, I'm wearing my seatbelt right now because I know when I jump out for me, you know. So I'm not wearing my seatbelt, but yeah, I wear my seatbelt right now, my people. Thing is that the door now closed, so yeah, I got hear the beeping sound. But we are showing what I go on. Yeah, we are showing what I go on. Now guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. You don't know we out here we are giving raw footage, unedited footage of what's going on the ground in affected areas on the south side of the island. So this is Alan Bamboo and we're heading into Black River. Now guys, we're going to show you some areas leading into Black River as well. So stick and stay. Look like Alan Bamboo too, no? Mighty God, this is crazy. But the people them out here, I try to do them hustling same way as bad as things be. People them out here still do them hustling. One thing me know, people. One thing me know. Jamaica has a far way to go in terms of recovery. Far way to go. As far as I'm seeing right now, a lot of houses almost see. So it seems like there are some houses when I go around and there are some houses where you know them can start work on, but a lot of the houses right now I see in them area here because of flat land. Them can't even work on the house them yet until they can't do nothing. They can't even go into them house right now until the water, you see me, submerge, the water going. So right now, a lot of the people them in St. Elizabeth in a look over area, house underwater. So them can't even do nothing for help themselves right now if they want to. You know, them having a house to sleep in or a roof over them head. I'm probably have to catch with somebody right now as we speak. But look at Alan Bamboo, people. Look at Alan Bamboo. This is crazy, man. This is absolutely crazy. Alright guys, so what actually take place now so far in Alan Bamboo, so them have men we have cut out the bamboo them were dropping at the road, and you know the bamboo them will break and thing. But people look container that they literally move, you know. This. I don't know if you're looking up. But you can basically see so far. You can see so far, brother. Look how far you can see. Way up in the hills, you can see from right or so. Look more people. Roof gone. Look. Everybody roof gone. I don't say one house the year so where the roof not totally gone. But it seems like the roof was new. Oh no, look. And this is just outside of Allan Bumbo. Heading towards middle quarters. Who remember this restaurant? Roof totally gone. Alright people, so this is New Allan. This is New Allan. So that's the restaurant I'm going to show now. Look on that roof totally gone. Look. On the building them place totally wrecked. So what going on my people? What's the going on, Rasta? Okay. Okay, so let's try bring back things together. So people them need help. And I'm not joke, and I'm not joke. And I'm like a pretend people, I'm pretend.
No man, it happen man.
It happen people, you see what I go on?
It happen man.
Happen.
It happen man, see there, right through.
Right through. Now, hey, normally you have to go around so you see over them place then.
Over them place there.
Right now you have to right through the place.
Look.
Yeah.
Your eye them full. You couldn't believe the place couldn't see so.
Yeah. I mean I tell you say before I come here on a video and I watch it on TV and them thing there. It look bad, but when you come and see for yourself.
But to be truthful, right now, me I tell you, say it look little better now.
No, than before, like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. You know, you see, they just something further on.
Yeah.
I tell you, say you have some people just walk up and down. They mind gone.
You don't know what them are do.
You don't know, some don't know where them are go. Some don't even know where them are go. You know,
yeah.
They live all in yard and they work and just the road and walk up and down. They mind gone.
Yeah, they don't know what them are do.
I tell you, my brother.
See it, man, I see it. So people in New Allan need help to my people.
Need help, man.
Yeah, man, people in New Allan. Yeah, people, man. So, where around here's the name?
Bailey's Ground.
Bailey's Ground, that
Yeah,
leads to
YS
Falls.
Yeah.
And around is a mash up as well.
See how you man, right through, man.
Right through, people hear that?
Because I don't know, I pour a set of class of people go feel like zinc and board house.
Yeah.
You know, and some local resident area. And I tell you, nothing no left.
But as far as me see right now, most everybody get affected.
Everybody get affected. I'll even concrete person. You know?
Even concrete people.
Even concrete person. Come here, I tell you, say, oh, it's amazing if you go Black River way. This is on church.
Right.
Rip them, man.
So good on my rest.
But I have to hang on to it, you know.
Yeah, man. You don't go and do nothing, man. We are pass through and I show people more. Go and make people know so they need help. All about not just Black River and just down a Savannah, down a them place. Oh, I don't need help. As far as I'm concerned. Yeah, man. So you see people might do them thing. I sure. I try to recover, I try to build back. Yeah, man. So people. So I go on that one house over the side as well. Roofless. That one roofless. The only house that might spare. I don't want them to have concrete slab roof like that. But everything else flat out. Look. Roofless. No more people. We are going up on the road. We are going to go and show them what that take place. Alright, Rasta. We are going down the road. It was New Allan. Yeah, now we're entering into middle quarters. Oh my god, and people, as I showing you before, as I telling you before, the further you go west of the island, the more devastation you see. And remember this, you know, guys. Remember, I am on the main road. I am on the main road. So I can tell you, them are basically work. Authorities are basically working on main thoroughfares. And, you know, the busier area them to get them cleared. So I can tell you, say, it actually worse, you know, some of the off-road them, you know, off of the main and them thing them. But may I tell you, the people them still there do them thing, because them have to survive, see there, middle quarters people them still there, hustle them shrimp and thing. Look at that, shop, top, gone, some of the shop them, you know, you see shop one of them here, you're not even see no shop. Jaja, you're not even see no shop, brother. This is crazy. One of them house them people. Roof totally gone. Roof totally gone. The place. The place just level down, like you can actually see, just look right through the place. You just look right through, like some place you never could have seen before. Yeah, see right through the place. The place is level down. So the people who pick up the pieces, my family, supporters. People who pick up the pieces, look at those houses. Roofless. That one that looked like that it was a church. Yeah? Roofless. The one was a church, middle quarters, Church of God. One of them building there. Roofless. So anything when a concrete flat out, anything when a concrete slab, roofless. So all of the little shop them one thing where they up on the side here, so where them juggle them shrimp and thing. 3/4 of them gone. 3/4 of them gone. So them middle quarters roundabout right now. Them place here now look familiar, none at all. Now look at this now, people, look at this. We'll stop again and show you the devastation how we're going. Look, building them towards roofless. Building them towards roofless. And this is in middle quarters, my peeps. As far as the eyes can see, one roofless house. As far as the eyes can see, roofless house. Alright, my people, so right now we're in a section of St. Elizabeth called Luana. Now guys, as you can see, the same sentiment everybody echo help. Now Luana Playfield and Community Center used to be over that side. Now it's been occupied by the JDF. The JDF set up camp over there. And them are doing everything. But guess what? Now let's show you how I go and look. But yes. Mash up my people. Monster City. JDF camp never set up over there, so I walk over there and look at it. So this is where you enter. So that's from middle quarters. This road here leads to White House. This road here leads to Black River. So we'll be going into Black River shortly, but we're just showing on the gas station. Roof actually gone. Now we'll make up on a team. We'll deliver here. See them here. Alright guys, so the thing about it is that I don't know, a lot of persons well head down this side now for get help and stuff like that. You know, them must say them don't really want, you know, it to be publicized that they're doing or they're going to do. You know, them just do them thing they really want to be on camera and them type of thing there. You understand, them just do it from them art. So we understand. The people, so we understand. You have a lot of people now who come down and them offer aid and them offer relief package and so forth. And you know, I've asked and a lot of them don't really want to make it publicized. Them just want to do them thing off camera. You understand? Them just want to do them thing off camera. So we don't have a problem with that. We don't have a problem with that. Yeah, man. Everybody do them thing that help on a pitching and so forth. And everybody want to put up on camera. Want the world to know what them do. What them do it. But I saw a large group a while ago. That Luana, truck and fan and you know, a group of them. Them are head west. Or I don't know if I in a Black River them are head, but yeah, them are carry some things in a one truck. They want truck load of things for give out and thing, but them say them don't want to make it publicized. Yeah, but that's how it go. Can't say nothing about that. That's okay. But we are heading into Black River, my people. I'm going to show them how we're going in Black River. Yeah, 2 weeks and I don't know since Hurricane Melissa. And a lot of persons don't recover. So this is what going, guys. A lot of roads still underwater. Lots of roads still underwater. Yeah, my peeps, this is the traffic leading into Black River. This is the traffic leading into Black River. Wow. Alright guys, so we're now actually in a part of Black River. Yeah, actually they are one part of Black River right now. And this is one of the areas of the relief center. Totally roofless. You see them set up tents. Dan's Motor World. Yeah, this is one of the relief center, my people. World Central Kitchen. Dan's Motor World. World Central Kitchen, my people. Seems like them there are about all the people themselves. So them there sort out food for the people them. Alright my people, so we're there in Dan's Motor World and we're, as I showed you before, World Central Kitchen They hear my people and they're doing an awesome job. They're operating in Black River, Negril and Montego Bay right now. That's the information I got. Yeah, them set up in a Montego Bay, Negril and Black River. Now they serve hot meals every day, my people. Them serve hot meal every day, and that is super awesome. Now every day them bring in water, bring in food, bring in supplies and drop off here. As you guys can see, them over there, so them had back out some patty and thing in that area right there. Yeah man, some patty and thing and fresh apples, water and them thing they are coming in. You see me, but we're gonna show you guys the distribution here. So that is basically the receiver area. Yeah, this is basically the receiver area where I can show you guys the distribution here. So this is where people come and actually pick up, you don't know, meals and stuff like that, people. So we'll go over there, show them what time it is. Alright, so this is the area, my people. So I do pick up right here. As you can see, people in there, food, water, juice, basically dishing out right here at this tent. I understand. So you come here, get a hot meal, you get a bottle of water, you get juice and things like that. Now this is for persons in the surrounding communities in the Black River area. And guys, this is like basically the entrance to the town. Town is that way. Basically the entrance to the town. So right after we leave here, we're gonna head down to the town and I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on in the town now. I'm gonna spot this, my people now. This is one of the makeshift house, container house. This is gonna be the in thing in Jamaica, you know. This is gonna be the in thing in Jamaica. I'm gonna say juicy beef, stick up on it. Probably a juicy beef, don't eat that. But they might do a good thing. Fresh food, water, and them thing there. World Kitchen. Alright, my people, so there's actually a site you guys can check out. Their website, World Kitchen, and you can get more information on, you don't know, the whole happenings. And they do this worldwide, you know, people. They do this worldwide, all over Jamaica. I mean, all over the world. I understand. All over the world. So big up to World Central Kitchen. Now guys, we're going to head into the town, show you guys what's going on in Black River. Got this, my people. Now that's the Methodist. Hold on, let me check good. United Pentecostal Church. Not Pentecostal, United Pentecostal. I don't know the button. Now look at this now, guys. This is another church right here. I'm not seeing the name of that church right now. So that's another church over there, my people. I'm gonna ask the name of the church right now, but look, even the building itself, not just the roof, but the building itself, guys, as you can see. Great. Place underwater, everywhere you look, you see zinc. Pieces of zinc, everywhere you look, you see water. Look at this. Look at this, my people. Now we're walking on utility wires. You know, posts and everything. Look. Look in the back there, my people. What's up? Sure. Look at this. This is crazy. far as I can look, man. It's on the rubble. Roofless. No more people. Like majority of buildings are damaged in terms of the structure of the building, in terms of the building itself, and majority of the roofs are gone. Majority of the building, the concrete, them all concrete get damaged. And majority of the roof, them gone. That used to be a gas station. Now that them just sell the gas. Now get the station that did it again. Them just sell the gas. The whole station. Place full of water same way. Electrical wire, utility wire, posts, everything up on the ground same way, as you guys can see. Now this is Black River, my people. Black River town. Black River Town is one of the harder hit areas. Even though New Hope was where the center of the eye make landfall, close to Black River. People see Black River, this is my people. Black River, this. Oh my word. This is Black River. Alright, my people, so this is Black River. This is the primary school. So that's the primary school over here. Most of the roof is on my people. I don't know opposite the primary school is the prep school. Prep school like it was. The roof is intact. But look, Jaja, the place does look totally different. Like you can hardly recognize. It's just like you know, so some buildings you can start them at the school that right there, so. But most of the places in Black River are unrecognizable, man. You know, guys, there's a team of soldiers right there. You man, they giving out some relief package and thing, but they don't know the JDF them stay. They really want them on camera, so when I alright. More people look for themselves to what go on in a Black River. You have 1 and 2 people who put back together them thing, but I tell you, you hardly even see people in the area, brother. You hardly even see people in the area. Like the people, if they have a family member or a friend or something, we know somewhere else where them can go. Lift up and cut. People, so that was once the JPS head office. That was once the JPS head office. Look on that. Flat out. It was a board structure. Majority of it was a board structure, but here, flat out. And look at people. As far as the eyes can see, place in a rubble. Place in a rubble. Now guys, go down in the town, brother. Go down in the town and rough. No joke, rough. everything move, everything shift up. I think, look at Black River, my people. Look at Black River. Everything damage. One of flat out damage. Yeah, my people, so we are standing right now is right in front of the fire station. Right in front of the fire station. So that's the fire station right there. Black River Fire Station. And that's the market. No guys. Yo. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Now this used to be the market. And this was recently renovated a couple years ago. Look on the market. This is what's left of the market. People will also on this side. This is what's left of the market, brother. Look on the place. Come like a ghost town. Alright, my people, so see what I want. This was the market, you know. One of them big old beam and thing. Pen up. Mash down. Chacha God. My people, this was the market. Black River Market, and as we say, it was recently renovated. This is crazy. Thing underwater. Some book there. Everything underwater. Jaja. Crazy. There was a few persons under the market, you know. You have a few people take refuge under the market, but you don't know. Can't do video everybody has been on before. People have them sanity, people have them pride, people have them, you know, dignity, and them no want to become with a certain part of them life. But Black River, no good again. You are the even the people to talk to. As much as how me even would have want to, you know, chat with two people and you know make them tell you what I want. You are the even the people to talk to. Hardly even the people to talk to. Look at Black River, my people. Jesus is Lord. The place don't look good. This is just Black River. You have places worse than Black River right now. This is just Black River. That's the tax office right here, you know. The tax office. Right there. place still underwater, my people. Place still underwater, that's the wharf. I say every building affected in the Black River, my people. Every building affected in the Black River. This is crazy. I know right now, Jaja, you have to look out for your cooks anywhere now, you know. Because sometimes some fence and some blockage used to there. Some place where them can't go, but right now everything look like it flat. Everything look like it flat right now. So the river get black right now. That for sure, you say. A lot of things are going on in the river right now. Water come from all boats and them type of thing there. Black River not good again, my people. Black River not good again. This is crazy. As far as you guys can see, one devastation. As far as the eyes can see is devastation. Look at that. Look at that, my people. Terrible. Terrible. I have to go around so better than around so much up in the cars. 3/4 where they run on the side there is waterfront, you know. Over the side there swamp. On the road go around so most of the way on the road runs to waterfront. So I have to ask if I want to mash up. Jaja. Hey man, I tell you it's crazy. Everything mash up. So this is High Street, my people. This is High Street. I'm gonna drive down High Street now and show them what time it is. Yeah. It's devastation all over. Courthouse, not Bank. Oh, Scotiabank. Rockstone, all of Scotiabank cave in. Oh. The only place that one too affected, as I said before, are like the newer building them. I'm telling you, majority of Black River buildings, building them in a Black River town, are all building them. Majority of them. Hey, when you're looking at them places, brother, you can see the water they cover them building there, you can see rubble, like debris, like clothes and plastic and them type of thing there. All up. Oh my God, 3/4 of the building them were in a Black River, old buildings. It's like the newer buildings them now, Max Foods, and basically the newer building them. The damage if them a slab. But if them on a slab, them damage. Mighty God. This is crazy. This is High Street, Black River. That's the Anglican church over there. I'm gonna stop right here, so doing some more footage. Right now my people, they're right at the intersection of High Street and North Street. That was the church right there, Anglican church. Police station the further down. People. This is not normal. Never seen nothing like this before. Never seen nothing like this before. Never see anything like this. Everything under rubble. Everything under rubble. Jaja. You all leave. I said before, all there's the people you can talk to. Because 3/4 of the people, you know, we do business and so forth in the area, in the town, and that's for there. Like 1 and 2 people where, if you see them in the town, work them over, they might try to fix up on things, so they don't really have not much talking and them things. You understand? So, you can understand. But 3/4 of the place mash up in the Black River, no joke about it. Then operating supermarket the way in the Black River town right now. In town. See there, that was Sagicor Bank over there, you know, people. That was Sagicor Bank. Sagicor Bank. Yeah, boy, the building is there. So them can probably work back on the building. But look. Look at Black River. Look at it, my people. This is no joke. This is no joke. When I say Black River no good again, I mean it. Black River no good again. Look on the courthouse. The courthouse never that old, you know. It was a building and them did refurbish it, yes, but look on the courthouse. Can't hardly even pass on the road, brother. That's the courthouse over there. That's the municipal building. Yo, if Black River look like this, people when I reach, oh my God, if Black River look like this and this is not the point of contact or where the eye meet landfall, we just imagine. And guys, we're gonna take, you know, you to all of the areas, you know, most of the areas that we can take you to that's been affected. Yeah, we're going to take you to see, you know, what took place. Give you guys a more in-depth view. This was Ames, you know, medical school, all over the mashup. Waterloo was just beside there. I don't recognize Waterloo. Waterloo was a great house. Right down the side. People, and this is 3 weeks after. This is 3 weeks. Tuesday, 2 days from now. 3 days from now. 3 weeks exactly. Yeah, and look. That's the health center over there. They work on the health center presently. That is good. They're presently working on the health center. And this is the hospital, my people. This is the hospital. Alright guys, so we're presently in front of the Black River Hospital. Presently in front of the Black River Hospital, my people, and look. Yeah, devastation. Devastation, people. Alright guys, so boy, I think my day is saying I rubble down. Anyways, I'm at a section in Black River there where, you know, some good Samaritan, you know, is here. Samaritan's Purse. Yeah man, Samaritan's Purse. Now guys, they're taking water from there's actually a spring. So that's the hospital over there, people. That's the hospital over there. As you can see, a part of the yellow building, that's the hospital over there. Now, right up the hospital, there's actually a spring. Me never know about this until now. There's actually a spring. And the head of the spring, they're right here. And what Samaritan's Purse do is they transfer water in this pipe here to this system that they have here that takes out the sodium out of the water. Yeah? Takes out the sodium out of the water because there's a little sodium in the water, they say, because you know, it's close to the sea, so a little seawater mix. They take out the sodium, you don't know, filter it. Yeah, as you can see, different section, they filter the water, my people. Take out the sodium, filter the water, and actually is turning this, you know, into clean, drinkable water. Also purified, you know, a little bit of chlorine and things like that. Now, these are the persons that are here. I don't know, taking care of stuff. Now, these are the top people. These are the top. I'm not going to show you, say. I tell you, say, I try the water, my people. And I tell you, you know, normally when you're there, you see, you know, so you have, you taste the water and you taste like saltish. Now, look, guys. Full of my water. You can come drink if you want. You can come catch it if you want, you know. Alright, people, and the water don't have no form of salt. No form of salt in it like normally. You know, even in a Black River town and some town close to the sea, that's like that tastes like a salt water in the water. Like a salt in the water. Yeah. No form of salt, you know what I say. Roll up a chlorine looking thing in the water. Nice clean drinkable water for the people. Samaritan's Purse, right next door to the hospital. They want them to free water and people. They might go on good. They might go on nice little lady over there, so make sure the things right. Alright, Samaritan's Purse in a Black River. Make sure so the people them get fresh drinking water. Alright, so the hospital. The hospital is right there for people, but there's a makeshift hospital and it's over by the school. I'm gonna go visit it right now. There's actually a KFC I put up in a Black River, you don't believe that? Soon to be open. Anyways, So, oh my god, Mr. Ken's. Mr. Ken's is actually up with a KFC road here, so right between Black River High School and the hospital. Oh, I never know that. Anyways, Mr. Ken's is not going with a little thing. Oh boy, people. Now the makeshift hospital is over by Black River High School. Black River High School get a little damage too, you know. Yeah, get damage too. But them end up turning over here saying at the hospital. So I'm gonna show now what go on now, my peeps. Samaritan's Purse. At least them do it as well. So this is now Black River High School is now the hospital. Yeah man. This is now the hospital, my people. Hey, I'm not telling a lie, still no. Black River get a lick in my people. Black River get a lick. Yeah? So that's the hospital over there, guys. So I guess you don't know if you're in the Black River area and you might want to visit the hospital. The hospital is now by the school. And as you can see, some of the roof of the school gone. Most of the school slab roof, but you know some section gone, people. It's another section that's gone. The only part that damage at the slab roof, them like in the middle section, some other parts, but just a few areas, you know, that was zinc roof. But this is now the hospital. Samaritan's Purse. Them are do it, my people. And I understand Samaritan's Purse. You remember the story of the Good Samaritan and how the Good Samaritan took out his purse and made payment for the injured man, you know, at the inn. So that's how the term Samaritan's Purse, because they, you know, pay out of their purse to make, you know, people in need like this better. Look at these people. So this is Black River High School. And this is the entrance to the hospital. This is the entrance to the hospital, my people. Yeah? So make sure people out here do it. Out here do it for my people. Giving you guys content. You don't know. You know, I had it really hard. Couldn't come out here earlier to give you guys right after it happened. But still come after 2 weeks and plus after. And that's when I'm gonna get the chance. But that's the hospital right now. And this is Black River, my people. Now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It's a Jamaican Thing TV and Jamaican Things with Duali. We're out here now, people. This was Black River. No, people. Black River total, I'm not telling a lie, like 3/4 of the place level down, brother. Can't believe this is Black River, woman, no. Can't believe this is Black River, woman, no, brother. Oh, people, pick up on yourself now. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment, drop a suggestion. You know, let us know what you guys think. And as I said, we'll have many more coming. This is Black River. We're heading to another location, and that you don't know, we're gonna show you very soon. But we're taking you guys all over. You don't know most of the towns that we can take you guys to. Show you guys the effects of Hurricane Melissa. So big up on yourself. Until next time. Peace out.